Well, hello everybody. Just a few tips today on Christmas lights. I really like Christmas lights. It's that time of year when you got to put them up and put them away. And just a few tips. Go down to your local, like Home Depot or Lowe's store and get these green tubs with the red lids. So when you put these things in your attic, you can tell where your Christmas stuff is. Or, if you can't do that, like take a box and put some red tape around the top of it, uh, so that when you're up there and you see all these boxes and you're trying to figure out where your Christmas stuff is, you can just go, oh, it's the ones with the little red duct tape around the top that are the Christmas stuff. Another thing is, I've learned from experience is Christmas lights always get into this tangled mess. So what you can do is when you put them away, get some of this little Velcro, like that yellow Velcro there, and just a roll, and you can cut it and then just wrap a strip around each of the sections, and that keeps them all kind of nice and tidy. You make the loops, just the right length so you can just lay them in the boxes. Same thing for your cords, right? You can just keep those all neat and tidy. And of course, if you're going to put up 20,000 lights like I do, you're going to need a lot of cords. These little guys, you can also get at your big box store. These are little plastic clips. And this way you don't have to put tacks or staples in your house. You can just use these for your asphalt or wood shingles, and they'll hold the lights in place, for the few weeks of Christmas, and won't damage anything. So really, when I found out about these things, this was great. This really, because I hated putting nails into the house. So box of 100 there. On the power for your lights, get these things that have water resistant covers. You don't want to get water into your extension cords and, burn your house down. And this is a little 3-for-1 splitter. Keep them off the ground too. But if you're not using a section, you can just close it, and that'll help keep the water out. One more tip on the Christmas lights: get yourself a power distribution system and a timer. Yeah, I've had this one about a decade, and they have these electronic ones, but this works great for me. Just a simple little clock, and you set the little tabs when you want it on there. This is a 6, 1 in and 6 out, and it will provide light for a lot of streams. And then you just drive that into the ground there where you want to distribute the power from, and it keeps it neat and tidy, and again helps keep the water out. I like to put lights up in the trees, not just along the roof line and the shrubs. So I engineered this little tool. I just got some PVC pipe and cut a little end into it, and that, for just a few dollars there, on PVC pipe. I can't really demo it very well. I'm holding the phone in my hand, but what you do is you can just reach up into your tree line and move the Christmas lights on and off the branches. You can see here I've hooked a line, and I'm just going to move it a little bit, or in this case I'm actually taking them down. So I just hook it and just take it right off that branch. Easy peasy. Well, anyway, that's life in the suburbs and Christmas lights, and put lights up, guys, if you can. Everybody likes lights. Don't be a Grinch. Take care, everybody.